ये नवाब, आदाब, सवाब और शबाब का शहर है। ये शबाब को खूबसूरती के लिए मैं बयान नहीं कर रहा हूँ। शबाब का मतलब होता है कि जब कोई चीज़, कोई जगह, कोई इंसान का टाइम सबसे बेस्ट टाइम होता है, उस टाइम को शबाब का टाइम कहते हैं। क्योंकि जब ये शहर पेरिस से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत हो गया, पूरी दुनिया में इसका नाम।
We're going to tell you about something about Lucknow. Is very fast, small briefing.
Actually, Lucknow was beautiful than Paris, and it was designed by Claude Martin in 1775. Claude Martin, who arrived from France as a soldier, but he was a great architect, and he designed Lucknow on the bank of the river from east to west, on the bank of 26 kilometers. So east is the Bibiapur Koti and west is Musabagh. Between the east and west, Lucknow located in serpentine style. So between the east and west there are more than 94 palaces. But in 1857, when Lucknow was under the grip of disturbance, under the grip of Ghadar, then the most of the Lucknow destroyed by the British. And in 1858, when they started the Raj, they changed the scenario of Lucknow, and they created Lucknow on the southern side. So the front of Lucknow was hidden from the eye of the people, because slowly in Lucknow every year we have the flood. So by the flood, the Lucknow slowly hidden from the eye of the people. And in 1978, when government built a flood bank from east to west, then the totally real Lucknow hidden from our eyes. So real Lucknow, which is underneath, which we are getting slowly, like Chhatar Manzil, which I have already shown to the gentleman. And if you will see Lucknow starts from Bibiapur Koti and going to the Musabagh. Between the Bibiapur Koti and Musabagh, there are number of the palaces known as Bibiapur Koti, Vilayati Bagh, Dilkusha Palace, Lamartine Boys School, Banarsi Bagh, Khurshid Manzil, and then you will come to Butler Palace, Sikandar Mahal, Shahnaz Imambara, Qadam Rasool, Moti Mahal, Shah Manzil, Mubarak Mahal, Nazara Palace, and Chhatar Manzil, Farad Baksh Koti, General Koti, Residency, Bada Imambara, Tile Wali Masjid, Clock Tower, Picture Gallery, Shish Mahal Palace, and Musa Bagh. And between the Musa Bagh and Shish Mahal Palace, there are number of the Imambaras and tombs. So the main Lucknow, which is on the bank of the river, which has hidden from our eye.
The historical place at the back. Palace, historical place.
चालीस महल आप इधर चले जाइए, इधर किनारे पे मिलेंगे दरिया के, और 40 महल आप पूर्व की साइड में चले जाइए तो बिबियापुर कोठी तक आपको मिलेंगे। और असली जो शहर है वो ज़मीन दोज है, ज़मीन के नीचे है। क्योंकि यहाँ पर हर साल 1858 में जब अंग्रेज़ों ने यहाँ पर राज शुरू किया और 1857 की लड़ाई हो गई, तो ये नवाब, आदाब, सवाब और शबाब का शहर है। ये शबाब को खूबसूरती के लिए मैं बयान नहीं कर रहा हूँ। शबाब का मतलब होता है कि जब कोई चीज़, कोई जगह, कोई इंसान का टाइम सबसे बेस्ट टाइम होता है, उस टाइम को शबाब का टाइम कहते हैं।
The protected monument, General Wali Koti. General Wali Koti, Lucknow, situated right bank of the river Gomti. This is a historical building. How they preserve this building? The city is still under under the soil, so they need to be clear and can see the city. See the city. We are going to enter this monument. See how big, how tall. Wow. It's too dark inside, guys, huh? But anyhow, when you stay hidden fit, you can still travel. Very nice. And this is the lobby area. World Heritage Asia Pacific Region, a glimpse. Archaeological Survey of India, Lucknow Circle. Here go with some view of this inside this palace. See the door. So nice. And we go with the ceilings. They create very well.
ब्रिटिश प्रेसिडेंट नवाब की राजनीति हितों को नुकसान पहुंचाने की कोशिश ही नहीं कर रहा था, बल्कि रोजमर्रा के प्रशासन में दखलंदाजी का प्रयास भी कर रहा था। उधर रेजिडेंसी महलों और ब्रिटिश रेजिडेंसी के पास स्थित होने के कारण प्रस्ताव किया कि रेजिडेंट का आवास बेरोवर यानी आजकल मूसा बाग के नाम से मशहूर इमारत में बना दिया जाए, पर रेजिडेंट ने इस जगह से